Hello everyone. Today I will show you the entire house plan. Okay. Actually, I have drawn already. So I just introduce this house uh, to you, like how I draw, what my experience. It's one of my live project. I have drawn in AutoCAD, then come it into 3D for something interesting like rendering room scheduling. Like I will import into 3D, import into Revit, then I will make a 3D. So it's a little bit old plan. So here I will insert the light also. All the things I have done in single project. You can see here. So this misplaced maybe. There's also one light, and you can see the entire things here, so that you will understand a little bit. It's our area veranda. So you can see it's a ceiling. So just for reference purpose, I have created a ceiling. So you can delete it. So actually, it's not a actual plan. So just rendering purpose I have created a ceiling. So actually, yeah, I need add artificial lights. So that, so it's a window, it's a one more window. So ventilators, then it's a wall mounted lights. Yeah, you can see here. Then here also you can check. You can see the lights and all the things, all the components. It's a staircase. You can see here I have insert one lights also in the staircase, so that we can easily walk in night also. So something little bit interesting plans, so that the person will easy to understand how it looks like. So just created created for the reference purpose only, regarding that the person's reaction for 3D and all. So it's a good experience for me. So we close some views, then after. So it's a complete 3D. Okay. So then it's a ground floor plan, you can see here. So I'm not changed any colors, anything, just show like this the ground floor plan, and it's our cross section. You see that is a room legends. I am not showed any room area, I'm just show the room areas. Okay, there is a 3 square meter. So the color is this one. Mm, this one. Okay, it's only 3 square meter. You can check dimension. mm, let's take a look. So it's a bedroom entire area, like it's one of the master bedroom. You can see bath and WC hall, kitchen, dining, etc. So it's a window staircase area. Yeah, it's a staircase. So if you just click here, it's the staircase. It's cutted actually, so it's visible now. So and one more cross section also here. You can see the cross section. You want to wireframe also? You can check here. The option called wireframe. But in wireframe all things are visible, so better go with hidden line or shaded. I will go with hidden lines because only that front view is visible. So you can see the ceilings I have created, lightings, or doors, what is it? It's a kitchen area, so that one table. So it's one of the best plan. It's I have placed the furniture also, you can see. So I am not created any complete plan in Revit. I have just shown only one plan to create a complete plan in Revit. So it's one more plan for your reference purpose. So just explaining. So I think it's a better option to explain first, then you can understand easily what I'm doing. So it's area, you can see. So we study table, like computer table, bedroom. Okay, it's a bathroom, hall. You can place a TV here also, because here it's a window, so you can place a TV here. It's the best option. So the Sejja, okay, you can see the Sejja. I have created an extrusion using extrusion command or component model in place so that you can easily identify the commands also. So what is this? That's the cross section, and one more cross section you can see here. Just click it. One more cross section is visible. Go to shaded or hidden lines. You can see the cross section because it's appearing on the walls, so that the cross section is not visible properly. You can see here. So you simply create a cross section from here to here, then change it into this side. So just from here to here, you can adjust also. So go to cross section, click the cross. You can see how bedroom will look like. You can see here bed, table, chair, windows, second wall. It's our kitchen area. Okay, the cross section is little bit that way. So you can adjust and you can hide also. Simply click here. Here is the option to hide category. Yeah, you can see the entire bedroom looks like how easy to present the complete model in Revit. So you can save also in sheet. Okay, so that's why I'm using Revit. I am also giving free training also. Interested persons contact me. So today is little bit my health issues, so that voice is not properly. Sorry. So yeah, it's a ceiling plan. You can see here how the ceiling plan will look like. So I have created the entire ceiling. I'm not created a ceiling for bathroom and bedroom. Sorry, bathroom. So here also I'm not created a ceiling here also. So it's a bedroom, and maybe it's also bedroom. So it's a bedroom hall. So that's the entire ceiling plan I have created. And here is a place lights also, lighting fixtures, tube light, and then some lights. Then first one is like slab, just to show that slab. So it's a 3D, you can see here. It's like one-sided view 3D. Then isometric. It's also 3D. It's a front view. You can see here how the table will look like automatically. Then 3D 3. Yeah, it's a bedroom complete section. You can see here SD, and you can, if you want realistic, change it to realistic. It will look like little bit realistic. So this is also fine. I will show you the rendering view also. 3D4 top view, like looks like a bird's view. 3D. It's a our 3D. You can see, can rotate. I have applied the material also. So I have applied the white paint maybe. It's a copy. It's a, if you use in section box, you have to cut the entire plan. So I can check one time. Actually, item is hidden. No, item is hidden. So you can see here. You can cut the entire view using section box. You can see here how easy to work in Revit. The entire plan will you can cut easily. Anything, anything you can cut. No need to delete. You can see here how easy. Okay. So copy. Maybe it's for I have taken reference for sheeting for creating a sheet. So you can see the top is how I have placed all the materials here. You can see tables, say wall mounted, like you can keep anything. I not done too advanced like say it as LOD 100 or 150 in concept of BIM. Then copy to here also a section box. I will use it for showing the varieties of the components. So it's our elevation, east elevation you can see here, north, west and south. You can see the elevation also. And here is something called section box. I'm already explained about the section box and all. So you can see. Then here is a scheduling I also created. The door schedule, room schedule. You can see the area of the rooms, 25 square meter. And here also option called for ground floor, limit for bedroom. You can see. You can customize also. Uh, base finish, I don't want base finish. You can delete, 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 delete. You can delete this one as well. You can see how easy to customize. Then if I want, delete parameter, I don't want, delete. Okay, height. Okay, fine. You can see it's a ground floor. Okay, the level is ground floor, bedroom, 25 square meter. Number is 1. So the total volume is 68.34 cubic meter. So you can customize also. So means I want to show the level first, name second, and third is area. You go to fields, you can click the area, like it is into third. Okay, you can see within fraction of second it's updated. No need to change, extract, drag, copy, paste. It's not required. Simply do it. Yeah, that's why I'm using Revit. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? I will place home schedule, door schedule, section. So again go to sheets. So it's our entire sheet, so that I have aligned all the drawings in sheets, so it's easy to give the customers और easy to give the clients also. So मैं बेहतरीन तरीके से अलाइन किया हूँ, थोड़ा सा इधर इधर हुआ है लेकिन अलाइनमेंट करेक्ट है, देख सकते हैं इधर पूरा व्यू, इधर पूरा मैं बनाया हूँ एलिवेशन, साउथ व्यू, फर्नीचर एंड सीलिंग व्यूज, हम देख सकते हैं इधर, और सेक्शन व्यूज। सेक्शन ये हमारा बिल्डिंग ड्राइंग ये इसका सेक्शन है, बेहतरीन तरीके से शो किया हूँ, आदमी कंफ्यूज ना हो बोल के। तो देख सकते हैं 3D व्यू है, एक साइड का दो साइड का शो किया हूँ, 3D व्यू विथ मटेरियल्स, या आप ये भी देख सकते हैं, शायद मैं इसको कस्टमाइज़ किया हूँ अभी इसलिए ऐसा दिख रहा है, और भी बेहतरीन दिख सकता था, आप इसको भी देख सकते हैं। और इसका मैं कुछ चेंजेस नहीं किया और भी है। और अभी देखते हैं रेंडरिंग के बारे में। ये थोड़ा सा मैं नॉर्मल सा रेंडरिंग किया हूँ, बहुत दिन हुआ था मैं देखा नहीं था, आज ही ओपन किया था। और इसको देखते हैं, इसको ये नाइट रेंडरिंग है, बेहतरीन क्वालिटी का नहीं है, लो क्वालिटी का है। और ये हमारा बेहतरीन क्वालिटी मतलब क्योंकि मीडियम क्वालिटी का है, नाइदर लो और नॉट बेस्ट, medium quality render. It's a bedroom view, you can see here the entire bedroom how it's look like. The Yeah, you can observe that it's a ceiling, place the some lights, it's a window, beds, and it's a cupboard area, you can see the glass also, you can see. If you go with high renders, you can observe all things, you can see how little bit destruction, so you can easily find out. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I will share with you project those who subscribe my channel, and they will definitely get it. So comments your email ID in the comment section, so I will share with you after subscription. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. So today is enough, we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you very much.